person under division. There are 4 steps in division. One is divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, or remainder. So our lesson for today is dividing one digit divisor with remainder. Example, 17 is the dividend. So divided by 5 is the divisor. First, i-divide natin the first step. 1 divided 5 cannot be. So 17 divided by 5, so equals 3. Second step, multiply. 3 times 5 equals 15. Then third step, subtract. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So bring down 2, or the remainder of 17 divided by 5 is 2. So the answer is 3, remainder 2. Class, this is the example of dividing number. I will give you one example and then answer at home. 16 divided by 5. So this is the given, this is unknown. To everyone, please answer at home. Goodbye to everyone. Bye-bye po.